Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to quickly and easily replace the battery in your Mercedes key. The battery is located under the black cover, and first you need to remove the rolling part from the key exactly as I showed you in the video. For this step, we will use a simple pair of tweezers. After removing the rolling part, we move on to the next step, which is removing the black battery cover. We do this by pressing the plastic outward from the inside. Then, with a gentle push, we remove the battery from its housing. Be careful, as the key's electronics are located underneath the battery and must not be damaged. Before installing the new battery, check the numbers on it. It must be the same as the original, otherwise, the key will not work. We put everything back together, and after that the key is ready to use. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel.